नमस्ते। एस्ट्रो रेमेडी जंक्शन में आपका स्वागत है। दिस इज़ डॉक्टर अमित हर्षद मेहता। आज का जो विषय है दैट इज़ अबाउट द वेल्थ एंड अबाउट द हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ रिलेशनशिप। तो वेल्थ का तो आपको पता ही है, वेल्थ है क्या। हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ का जो रिलेशन है, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोरोना पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन, many people are sitting at home, and due to this there is a lot of actually stress between the husband and wife. So I will give you the simple remedy that will help you in actually patching up the husband and wife relationship and for wealth also. So one plant is there, in Hindi it is known as Harsingar. I will actually write the English name in the description so you can actually search the tree whether abroad it is available or not. So for wealth purpose you have to take the root of Harsingar plant and keep it in your tijori, in your locker, after actually tying it in a yellow cloth. This is the most simple remedy. So on the Lakshmi Pujan day, means on the 14th, you have to do the Lakshmi Puja. There you have to keep this, keep the yellow cloth, and over the yellow cloth keep the Harsingar root. Take it a small piece, not necessary to take a larger piece. Take a smaller piece, keep it in the yellow cloth, worship it, and after that tie it properly and keep it in your locker. So this will ensure your wealth to grow immensely. And for the husband and wife relationship, take the branch of the Harsingar plant. You have to take just one hand, means this is one hand. So take this much branch and you can keep it under your bed. If you are not actually sleeping on the bed, then you can keep it in your room where no one can see it, no outsider can see it. So these two remedies are very simple remedies that you can do on this Diwali, and it will give the immense benefit to you all. So today's video was this much only. So meet you in the next video with such a simple remedy. Remember, simple remedy only works. If I give you complicated remedies, then actually your mind will be in complications first. So with the complications, with the confusions in the mind, you cannot perform any remedy. And if you perform any remedy with the confusions, then that remedy will not work ever. That is why my remedies are simple and up to the mark. नमस्ते, धन्यवाद।